Alright, QUEERVEE here, and I am super excited because I resubbed to Artsnacks. And this is my first box back with them, the May box. So I opened the seal with scissors, but I didn't open it yet. So let's take a look inside and see what's there. Shabam! Ooh. Okay, first thing in here is a Faber-Castell water brush. Well, ooh, the sticker! Oh my gosh, the sticker is so pretty. Yes! Oh my god, that's really pretty. Art spray! I actually saw this at the art store and I wanted it. Oh my gosh, okay. There's something in here. Okay. Different toned paper for mixed media. That's cool. Ooh, Smarties! I love Smarties. It's one of my favorite candy. So that's exciting. Alright, I'll look at that in a second. What's in here? What's in the green tissue paper? We're gonna find out. About to find out. Do 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 do. Bam, bam, bam. Wow, wow. Okay. Ooh. These look like chapstick. It looks like chapstick. I don't even know what these are, but they're very pretty colors together. Oh my god, what is this? Gelatos. I have no idea what this is. But I'm gonna find out, but they're pretty colors. Okay, and this is a Spectra brush. What's it look like? Okay, there's a chisel. And there's this, it kind of looks, yeah, it's a brush. Sweetness. So weird color. What is this, camel? Is that what it says? Camel. Okay, my camera's being super stupid, but okay. We are going to set everything out here and take a look at, let me put this out of this. We are going to take a look at this. Sorry if it's not focusing right. It is terrible at that. Alright. So let's read up on these products. Okay, so Faber-Castell Gelatos, staff favorite. You're in for a real treat with Faber-Castell Gelatos. These compact, vibrant pigment sticks are creamy smooth, light fast, and have great coverage. They easily glide onto paper, canvas, or wood. Blend your new colors with or without water and watch them melt into your artwork. Cool. I just really like the colors that I got, and these are $2.45 retail each. Faber-Castell Art and Graphic Water Brush is a $7.99 retail. Nothing holds water like this brush. The Faber-Castell Art and Graphic Water Brush is the perfect tool for mixed media artists. Just unscrew the top, fill with water, and start painting. Gentle pressure on the barrel will allow water to flow to the tip. Another cool detail, the sharp point on the cap can be used for scratching and scraping techniques. Huh? I gotta open it and see what they're talking about. Yeah. Okay, this, I guess. So you like beep boop 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 and scratch stuff. Oh my god, somebody's calling me and it is my dad, and I'm gonna ignore him. Sorry, Dad. Yeah, so this is very cool. It looks like a fancy water brush. It looks like it works good, actually. Works well, whatever. Okay, so that was that. Now the Chartpak Spectra AD marker. $5.70 retail. Are you gonna focus? Okay. From its brilliant alcohol-based ink to its ergonomically shaped body, the Spectra AD marker was designed with the artist in mind. Its twin tips offer a wide range of line options. The flexible brush nib delivered a smooth line that adjusts with pressure, while the tri-nib, that's what that's called? The tri-nib provides thin, medium, and thick lines with a simple twist of the wrist. Oh, I see. Okay, cool. And okay, this Marabu mixed media art spray, $5.99 retail, in this awesome blue color. Does it say what color it is? Why don't they like ever have colors anymore on things? Like, how do I even know? Does this even have a color? Oh, I think it does, but I think it's not in English. Guava, maybe, and aqua dolce. Yeah. Well, I got distracted there. Okay, so Marabu mixed media art spray. $5.99 retail. Spread some vivid color onto your artwork with Marabu mixed media art spray. This acrylic spray paint goes on a variety of surfaces and is permanent when dry, allowing for multiple layers of color and texture. Before each use, shake the bottle vigorously for 60 seconds. A whole minute? Oh man, that's a long time. Okay, and now this bonus item. Wow, 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 wow. Stillman and Birn Nova Trio Mixed Media Paper Sample Pack. This sample pack from Stillman and Birn features 150 GSM medium grain paper in 3 different tones, beige, gray, and black. With this enhanced wet strength, this paper is made for mixed media work. The full-size version contains this trio of shades in one sketchbook, so artists can experiment and compare. If you enjoy this sample, Nova Trio sketchbooks are now available for purchase in the Artsnacks shop. Okay, and the joke for Artsnacks for May is, what's a mathematician's favorite art form? Graffiti. I always enjoy those, honestly. But wow, this sticker is really pretty. This is gonna be one of my favorites. So pretty. So pretty. So these are pretty interesting products. I will definitely be excited to use them. It's kind of a weird color to go with them, but I will make it work. I will make something with this, and we will find out what that is later. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and I hope you will join me later for my Artsnacks challenge. Woo, 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 woo. So May, this was May. Awesome. A+. I like this box. I gotta add it up and see what the value is before I make my final decision, but I like all the things in here, and I like the colors that I got, so yeah. Thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I would also like to say a special thank you to all of my patrons. Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for supporting me. If anybody else is interested in my Patreon, please check the link below. And also it would mean a lot if you could like this video, subscribe to me, leave a comment so I could get to know you. That would be awesome. I'll see you guys later. Hope you're having a good day, because I am. Bye!